Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. You join me at home because unfortunately I've lost the introduction and the conclusion to this video I'm about to show you. It's a site review and it's of a site that we highly recommended to us by my uncle and aunt, and I have to say it's a really good one. So take a look at Greenacres Caravan Park in Carlisle. Greenacres Caravan Park is located a few miles from junction 44 of the M6, Carlisle in Cumbria. The entrance to the site is quite wide, but it does have a single lane track leading to the site entrance itself. The track leading to the entrance barrier is a single track, so please be mindful when you go through the main entrance area. Entry to the site is via a code which is sent via email prior to arriving. Pitch allocation is also issued via the same email. However, I do understand you can ask for certain pitches. Greenacres is an adults only site and also part of Tranquil Parks. The pitch areas are broken up by very well maintained hedgerows. The standard of pitches are quite generous and enough room for a caravan, awning and car. The grounds are immaculately maintained. All pitches are fully serviced and hard standing. Pets are more than welcome at Greenacres, and there is a very large and substantial dog walking area. Towards the rear of the site there are a number of super or premium pitches. These are extra wide, hard standing pitches with a light bollard and a picnic table. The main loo block is very modern and spotlessly clean and runs along a main corridor. Each facility has its own self-contained shower, loo and wash basin and somewhere to sit while you get changed. Juliet informs me that the disabled room is excellent with plenty of grab handles, etc. And at one end there is a food preparation area. In the centre of the site there is a bowls area, so if you fancy a game of bowls they will provide the bowls and the rules. Also there is a barbecue point. Please note that you do have to supply your own charcoal, but they do sell it at the shop. Returning towards the entry-exit road, there is a secondary loo block and a pot wash. And behind this is a small building selling basic essentials, including wine, and next door is a laundry. Close to the shop there is something that we didn't quite expect when we arrived, and that's a sports and TV hall. In the hall there is a full-sized badminton court, tennis table, pool table and a very large TV with some comfy sofas should you wish to watch a large TV, preferably when the sport's on. At the opposite end is a trust bar selling alcohol and soft drinks. Now the final thing I wish to show you is the car and caravan wash bay. I've never seen one of these on a site before and I was very impressed to see it. Didn't use it myself personally, but you have to pay and it's quite reasonably well priced. This site has been in the same family for generations and each generation has added and improved the site along the way. I understand there may be plans for another loo block coming, but we'll have to wait and see. Well folks, that was Greenacres Caravan Park in Carlisle. We went at September when the weather was really good and I have to say we had an enjoyable stay. The staff are very friendly and helpful, as are the owners. As I said in the video, it's been in the same family for quite a few generations and the new generation taking over recently are no exception. They've really put the heart and soul into this place and it's a lovely site. It's won a number of awards, especially for its toilet blocks because they are spotless and immaculate. It's a good stop if you're coming down from Scotland, and if you're going up to Scotland, again, it's a great stop. Spend a few days at the site and you can also see the historic town of Carlisle, which is really good. Juliet went shopping while we were away, spent a fortune, but nonetheless we thoroughly enjoyed our time away. I'll leave a link to the site below so you can check it out, but thanks for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.